Hello and hey everybody, DW40 here. Hope you're having a great day. For those who don't know me, I do trade for real, unlike a lot of people that you see in the socials, and we want to bring you timely, interesting content that you might not be seeing elsewhere. My goal is to help everyone improve their financial education and learn more about the markets. So with that, let's dip and dive in. Remember, any examples are educational only. Some might be hypothetical trades or setups, but this is not financial advice. Just tuning in from Trader Central here. My mantra is keep it simple. Trading from my phone or the laptop down by the beach with my coffee. With that said, a couple things really catching my attention, and it kind of links to the US dollar and also global currency markets. Now, you might be saying, why are we looking at this? I trade stocks, I trade crypto, anything like that. But I tell you what, it's all interconnected and a few things are really flashing right now. So I've got TradingView up on the screen. This is just the monthly chart for TradingView, as you can see here. And this is versus the US dollar, because anytime you look at a currency like the euro or the yen, it always has to be compared or paired with something. So this is against the dollar. 6C is the futures contract for the euro. And look at this right now, that the euro, this chart is just falling down, and it looks like it's going to potentially even break down lower. Now, that has major implications for the euro and the global economy, amongst other things, but it just shows that the dollar's strength, right? So look at this. I mean, the last time the euro strength, like 1.02 is the current level, was in this neck of the woods, was during like the European crisis. So 2015, 2017, and before that, it was all the way back in 2003, if you can believe that. So something's going on. It just puts the radar up and making me think, okay, keep my eyes open because this could have broader implications for everything that's going on. Same thing, right? Another one, which is very interesting here, 6J is the futures contract for the Japanese yen. Now, they're a big economy. Also, I think for anybody in the U.S., very important because they went the route of trying to solve their problems by printing lots and lots of money or yen. Kind of the U.S. is doing the exact same thing. And look what's happening to their currency currently. Just a nosedive. It's as low as it's been, right? You've got this kind of key level here that hasn't been seen since 2003, almost 20 years ago. And it looks like it might be breaking down and through. On the flip side of that, DX is the US dollar, and it is breaking out to the upside. When people get concerned globally, big institutions, government, they tend to flock to the US dollar. So not too surprising with what we're seeing here. It could go higher. If you look at this chart here, it's been as high in the early 2000s, kind of the tech bubble crash fiasco is 120. We're at 106 right now. So it's really important because as that dollar becomes more powerful, the US dollar, it makes our goods more expensive to export. But as we bring goods in from outside the U.S., as a consumer country, it makes everything else cheaper for us, or maybe a great time, jokingly saying, for a trip to Europe or some other places with the dollar strength going on. But major point for this video is it has important implications for other things that you might be looking at or you might be trading. U.S. stocks would be one. Other examples would be gold, anything commodity, right? So gold, copper, platinum, any of these things on the commodity side, which everybody's watching right now for the cost of living and inflation, blah, blah, blah. Important things to keep an eye on too. In particular, obviously oil is one that you can see as we look. Let me go back into the daily chart here for still hovering around $100. But keep an eye on those currencies. It's big news, big things going on. It could be flashing warning signs as these things break out, especially for central banks around the world, outside of the United States, as that dollar strengthens, there could be some big repercussions coming. And it's flashing, kind of not exactly like a buy or a sell signal for anything, but more of a, flashing a warning. I'm thinking of a car on the freeway that's got its flashers on, letting us know something could be off. Those are what these charts are telling me right now. So hope that's useful. Have a great day. Enjoy it. With that said, for trade ideas, updates, thoughts, and entertainment, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day. DW40 out.